Hello home seekers, welcome. This is Los Balcones and I'm Aptin from Zan Real Estate, who will be presenting to you this marvelous bungalow residential, a private community. Have a look. This gated community consists of 48 bungalows, all overlooking the green and pool areas and some with views over the beautiful iconic pink salt lake. All bungalows come with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, one being a master bedroom with private ensuite bathroom. The top floor bungalow has a private sun terrace offering amazing panoramic views all the way to Torrevieja center. The location of this residential is ideal. Located on the hillsides of Los Balcones, you'll find yourself nestled in between all types of amenities. Xenia Boulevard Shopping Center, Torrevieja City Center, University Hospital, supermarkets, various golf courses, sandy beaches, all in all within only 10 minutes drive. Visit our website at zan.com and don't hesitate to get in touch with Zan Real Estate for more information and viewings.